Hello students, welcome to Alan Overseas. In this video, we'll be learning how to solve the logarithmic equations. Whenever we solve the logarithmic equations, always keep in mind that the term whose logarithm we are calculating should never be negative and should not be 0. Even the base of logarithm should not be 0, negative, even the base cannot be 1. So these things you should keep in mind while solving the logarithmic equations. We have studied how to solve the few questions based on a raised to x log of a is equal to x in our last video. If you have missed those videos, then we are providing links for those videos in the description. So just check them away after this video. Well, just look at the question. Here in this question it is given that log of x square minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 3 and we want to solve for x. So let's see how we can get the values of x. So as this is a logarithmic equation, here the base is 2. So I can convert this into exponential form, like we can write here 2 raised to 3 is equal to, because this is base and this is a number we are getting after calculating logarithm. So we can put here base 2 and this number as a power, it will give us this remaining number x square minus 1. So we have converted this logarithmic equation into exponential form. Now here we are getting x square minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 3 means 8. So taking this minus 1 on the right side, we get x square equal to 9. And as x square equal to 9, so definitely we will get two values of x, one is plus 3 and other is minus 3. But what do you think? Both of these values will work? Because here one value of x is positive 3 and other value is negative 3. So you just need to put back these values in the x square minus 1, because we are actually calculating log of x square minus 1. And whenever we are calculating log of some value, that value should never be negative. So just put this negative value minus 3 in a x square minus 1, you will get minus 3 square as 9 minus 1, you will get positive. So x square minus 1 will be positive even if you put x equal to minus 3 or plus 3. Therefore, both of these values are okay with. Now let's see another question, a very similar kind of question like this. We have here what? Log of x plus 1 to the base 2 plus log of x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 3. And you know, clubbing these two logs together, because we have a property in a logarithm that log of alpha to the base a plus log of beta to the base a can be written as log of alpha beta to the base a. So this is the product rule of logarithm, which we can definitely use here, and then we'll get what? Then we'll get from this log of with the base 2, this x plus 1 and x minus 1 will get multiplied. X plus 1 into x minus 1 will get multiplied, and on the right side I have 3. So I am getting what here? I am getting log of x square minus 1, because x plus 1 into x minus 1 will be definitely x square minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Now if you just look, you will come to know here that this and these are actually same. Log of x square minus 1 to the base 2, log of x square minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to how much? 3. So definitely this should also give you, after solving, values of x as plus 3 and other value will be definitely minus 3. But what do you think? Which of these two values will be okay with? Can we say that both these solutions are true? No, in this case we can't say that both these solutions are right. Why? Because when you put x equal to minus 3 in the place of x plus 1, then this x plus 1 will become how much? This x plus 1 will become minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So it is becoming negative and you are finding logarithm of that negative number. So that's not allowed. So in the beginning itself I told you that whenever we are getting some term and its logarithm we are calculating, that term should not be negative. So considering x equal to minus 3, x plus 1, either x plus 1 or x minus 1 both are going negative, which is not acceptable. Therefore I would say that x equal to minus 3 is not acceptable solution. But if you put x equal to 3, then both of these term will have positive inputs, and definitely that is acceptable. So I would say that the only solution to this question is x equal to plus 3. I hope you might have understood this, but do remember this whenever you are solving future questions. Now let's have another question. The question here is, so here in this equation we have in the base x plus 1 and in the power we have log of x plus 1 to the base 10 is equal to 100 times x plus 1. So what I will do, I will apply log on both of the sides and I will apply log with the base 10. Because here I have 100 and here log x plus 1 to the base 10 is there. So it's better to take the log with the base 10. So to this term x plus 1 raised to log of x plus 1 to the base 10, I will apply log to the left side with the base 10, and on the right side also to this 100 multiplied with x plus 1, I will apply log, and its base I'll take 10. So we know that whenever we are taking log and the term has power something, then that power comes in a multiplication. So I'll get here log of x plus 1, this power in multiplication with this term, and this term is what here? Log of, this is the exponent rule of logarithm which I have used here. So I got here log of x plus 1 to the base 10 into log of x plus 1 to the base 10 on the left side. And on the right side, if you just split up, use a product rule, you'll come to know that you are getting here log of 100 to the base 10 plus log of x plus 1 to the base 10. Now just look, this log of x plus 1 is repeating again and again, here, here and here. So why not put this term as t? So log of x plus 1 to the base 10, if you are putting t, then you get an equation something like this. So this will become t, this will become t, so you are getting t square, and on the right side log of 100 to the base 10. What do you think? What will get log of 100 to the base 10? Definitely 2 I will get. So here I am getting 2, here I am getting again log of x plus 1 to the base 10, that is t. So finally I am getting here t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation and we can easily factorize it. What are the factors we will get? One of the factor I will get t minus 2, other factor will be t plus 1 equals to 0. And solving this, definitely I will get one value of t as what? So one value of t I will get 2 and other value as minus 1. Because if I make t minus 2 equal to 0, I will get t equal to 2. And if I make t plus 1 equal to 0, I will get t equal to minus 1. But actually question is asking to find out the values of x. We got the values of t. So now in place of t, we can put what? Just look. T is what? Log of x plus 1 to the base 10. So wherever there is t, I can put back in place of t log of x plus 1 to the base 10 equal to 2, or log of x plus 1 to the base 10 equal to minus 1. Now solving this, you get x plus 1 equal to 10 raised to 2 and x plus 1 here you get what? 10 raised to minus 1. So I am just using here exponential form of the given logarithmic equation. So here you are getting x equal to 99 and another solution of x you are getting 1 by 10 minus 1. So because x plus 1 is 1 by 10, so you are getting here 1 by 10 minus 1. So x equal to 99 is one solution and x equal to minus 9 by 10 is another solution. So are these both solutions okay? Are these both solutions acceptable? How do you check? Just put back these values of x equal to 99 and minus 99 by 10 into x plus 1 place, because x plus 1's log we are calculating in our original equation. So wherever we are calculating log of some term, that term should not go negative. So when you put x equal to minus 9 by 10, you will come to know that x plus 1 will not be negative, but in fact it will be positive, and that's acceptable. Therefore this minus 9 by 10 is acceptable, and even you can check back that 99 is also acceptable. So both of these solutions, x equal to 99 and x equal to minus 9 by 10, are definitely acceptable. I hope you have understood this. Now let's look at this question. A very good question here for you. Let x0, y0 be the solution of the following equation. 2x raised to ln of 2 is equal to 3y raised to ln of 3. And even it is given that 3 raised to ln of x is equal to 2 raised to ln of y. This question is a previous year JEE advanced question. If you think you can solve this, then just give a try. And we want to find what here? x0. So we have to find out the values of x and y, but they are interested in finding the value of x only. And that x value is what is the question, and we have options in front of us. So what I will do here, very first, to this first equation, 2x raised to ln of 2, I will apply log, let it ln, and on the right side 3y raised to ln of 3, to this also I will apply log. Ln means log with the base e, natural logarithm. So using the property of logarithm, we can definitely take this power in multiplication of the log. So I will get what here? Here I will get ln of 2 multiplied with ln of 2x, and in a similar fashion this ln of 3 will get multiplied with this log term using an exponent rule. So I will get here what? Ln of 3 into ln of 3y. Okay. So this ln of 2, this ln of 2x using a product rule can be written as ln of 2 plus ln of x. Here it is ln of 3 multiplied with what? Ln of 3y. Again I can use the product rule, and this ln of 3y can be written as ln of 3 plus ln of y. So if I just multiply this ln of 2 with each of this term, so let's see what I get. So then I'll get what? I'll get ln of 2 whole square, ln of 2 into ln of 2, ln of 2 whole square. Then ln of 2 into ln of x, okay, ln of 2 into ln of x I'll get, which will be equal to how much? Again multiply this ln of 3 with this ln of 3, you'll get ln of 3 whole square, then plus ln of 3 into ln of y, okay. See, this is going lengthy, but if you just have a patience, then definitely we'll get the solution. So let's see what the solution in x we have to find out, because they are asking the one of the solution as x0 and x value they are asking. So do you think what should we do now? Now what I'll do, I'll take this ln of 2 and ln of 3 square on the left side. So I'll get here ln of 2 whole square minus ln of 3 whole square, which will be equal to ln of 3 into ln of y. This term will remain on the right side, and this term I'll take on the right side. So that will become minus of ln of 2 into ln of x. So this is what I am getting. See, I don't need the value of y, I just need to find out the value of x. So what I'll do, from this first equation, from this second equation, again apply log, then let's see what I get. So after applying log, I'll get here ln of 3 raised to ln of x, and definitely this ln of x I can take in a multiplication. So here I'll get what? Ln of x into ln of 3 equal to ln of 2 raised to ln of y. So ln of 2 raised to ln of y. So this ln of y again comes in a multiplication of this ln of 2. So I am getting here ln of y into ln of 2. So from this equation, if you just observe, you will come to know that ln of y is how much? From here you will come to know that ln of y is ln of x into ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. So this is the value of ln of y in terms of ln of x you are getting. That value of ln of y in terms of ln of x, if you put suppose here, then you may get equation only in terms of x. So let's see what we get. So we have here ln of 2 square minus ln of 3 square. I'll write down here on the next screen. Ln of 2 square minus ln of 3 square, which is equal to how much? Come back. Ln of 3 into ln of y. So ln of 3 into ln of y, but in place of ln of y, what I can write? I can write ln of x, ln of 3 by ln of 2. So ln of x, ln of 3 divided by ln of 2. And then what we have? Come back, see, minus ln of 2 into ln of x I have. So I'll write that ln of 2, ln of x. So just look, you have here ln of 2 whole square minus ln of 3 whole square, and here ln of 3 into ln of 3 is ln of 3 whole square, ln of x. Ln of x, in fact, you can take common from these two terms. So you get here ln of 3 square divided by ln of 2 minus ln of 2. So just look, here on the left side you are getting ln of 2 square minus ln of 3 square. Here ln of x, here again cross multiplying you get ln of 3 whole square minus ln of 2 whole square, and whole divided by what you have? Ln of 2. Now just look, these two terms, ln of 2 square minus ln of 3 square and ln of 3 square minus ln of 2 square. These two terms are almost equal, but they are opposite in sign. So if I just cancel them, I just remain here what? With minus 1. And on the right side what remains? Ln of x by ln of 2. So if I take this ln of 2 on the left side, I'll get ln of x is equal to minus of ln of 2. And solving it further, you get ln of x is equal to ln of 2 raised to minus 1. Because this minus 1 I can take in the power of 2. So I'll get 2 raised to minus. And further solving, I'll get x equal to 1 by 2. So look, one of the solution of x we got 1 by 2. So is there any option which is saying that one of the solution of x we are getting 1 by 2? Yes, definitely. So the right answer to this question should be C. So that was very brilliant question. See guys, we'll be coming with more such interesting videos. If you have any queries, doubts, you can post them in comment box so that we can definitely revert you back. Now I have a homework question for you. The question here is again a very interesting question. So you have to try this yourself. And don't forget to give your answers in comment box so that we can revert you whether your answers are right or wrong. So that's all here on the logarithmic equations. If you have any doubts, queries or suggestions, you can post them in the comment box definitely. Okay, so be connected with Alan overseas for more such interesting videos on JEE. Thank you.